Hey guys, it's WEEZY, the Sexy Grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you today with a tutorial on how to do your eyebrows. And I wanted to introduce you to one of my greatest finds of 2018, which is the Benefits Cosmetic Brow Contour Pro. And what it is a 4-in-1 contour pencil that instantly gives you clean shaped brows with definition and dimension. Now you will need a couple of tools in addition to the Brow Contour Pro. One of them is a flat contour brush, which here I'm going to use the MORPHE 423 brush, and the other is a spoolie. So the first thing I do is I take my spoolie and I comb the hairs to my eyebrows in a downward motion. Then I'm going to take my Brow Contour Pro pencil. I'm going to click on the darkest shade, which is called Deeper Brow Shade. And I use the deeper brow shade to outline my brows. So after I do that, you'll see here I'm going to once again take my spoolie and I'm going to brush the hairs then in a upward motion. And then I go underneath on the bottoms, and again I do a nice straight line and I just kind of connect it at the corner. At the end on the corners. So now that we're done with the deep brow shade, you're going to see me click now on the lighter brow shade. And I'm going to use that lighter brow shade to fill in the sparse areas of my eyebrows where I'm missing hair in order to give my brow a more even, unified, thicker look. Now the thing with the Brow Contour Pro pencil you have to remember, guys, is that it's 4 products in one pencil. So you're getting 2 brow pomades, and then you're getting a highlight shade as well as a concealer shade. And with the Contour Pro pencil, the product is soft like pomade. It's not hard like a pencil. So you want to make sure that you kind of press lightly. Okay, so again, we're going to take that spoolie and now we're going to blend that darker brow shade and the lighter brow shade together in order to start giving a natural look. And as you do that, you want to just keep filling in, kind of layering in where you still have sparse areas of hair. So now we're going to start cleaning things up and giving our brow a little more definition and shape. So we're going to go in with the Edge Definer shade, and we're going to take that on the top of the brow to start just kind of start cleaning things up and again giving shape. So once again, guys, I mean, I cannot stress enough how the product in this pencil is soft. So you don't want to press real hard because 1, you'll break the tip off, which you'll miss out on product. And 2, if you press too hard, you're using too much product. And you want to just kind of tap lightly. So now we're going to go underneath the bottom and we're going to highlight with the highlighter shade. And we're going to put that right in the arch of the brow. So I like using the highlight shade on the bottom and not on the top because I don't want to have a halo eye. And as you can tell, there are 2 different colors there. The bottom is a lot lighter. So if you were to put that highlight shade on the top, it's going to give you more of a halo eye, and it's not going to blend in as well with your foundation color. Now these brow contour pencils do come in 5 different shades. And what I'm doing here is I took that Morphe M423 contour brush, flat contour brush, and I'm just, as you can see, cleaning things up all around the brow on the top as well as the bottom. And just giving it that shape and that nice clean look. Yes, sis. Looking nice. I am just so happy that I discovered this contour benefit pencil, because I can now literally have my brows done in less than 10 minutes. It's awesome. So guys, I'm just going ahead and finish putting on my makeup for my look for the day. As many of you know, I'm a registered nurse, and I will say that I was getting ready for work. So this is what I do every morning prior to going to the hospital and working in the operating room. So I just wanted to kind of film it as I went so that you guys could see exactly what I do and how I get them brows just lit on fire. My girls told me people don't say on fleek anymore, and I don't care. My brows are on fleek. So the Brow Contour Pro Pencil originally came out, I believe, like back in the end of August or beginning of September, and it has just totally changed my eyebrow game. It's so nice to have a pencil that you can just throw in your purse and go when you're going out of town. You know, I no longer need to have 4 different eyebrow products with me. I normally would have 2 pomades, a jet black pomade and a dark brown pomade that I would use on my brow, and then I would clean up at the top with the concealer that matched my foundation color, and I would clean underneath my brow and the arch of my brow with a real light contour color to shape things up. And I mean, it was just a lot of product to have to carry around. Well, now all I have to do is just throw that one pencil in my makeup bag, and sis, we good to go with them brows. I literally have one in my locker at work, one in my purse, one in my makeup station where I do all my filming at, and one in my makeup bag, and I literally have 4 of these pencils on deck. I've given them away as gifts to family members, and both of my teenage daughters have them. We just absolutely love this pencil. It is just makes your brows so much easier to do, and time saved is just priceless. So you know, I hope you guys like this video. I hope that you you know, check out the Benefit Brow Contour Pro, and that it makes your eyebrow game just much faster, nicer, and clean, just like it has for me. So if you check it out, leave me some comments in the bottom and let me know, you know, what you think about it. So guys, as I was getting ready for work, I got to a point where, you know, it was time for me to go. A lot of times I'll just throw my lashes on after I get to work, which is exactly what I'm going to do today, because it's raining out this morning, so I needed to leave just a little bit earlier than I normally do. So what I'm going to do is, once I get to work, then I'm just going to take a couple of pics to let you guys see my final eye look with my lashes on. So let me just say, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, really, like for real. Let's see, I've been doing this now almost 2 years, and y'all still ain't hit that red subscribe button? Sis, hit that button. Join the WEEZY Wig Review team. All right, guys, I hope you have a very blessed day, and remember what I always say, to show somebody a little piece of heaven today.